Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be talking about the notification settings of your device Samsung A23 5G and A33 5G. So if you want to change the notification settings of your device Samsung A23 5G and A33 5G, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can change notification settings in your device.